बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। रात कर त्रे क्वेश्चन एसिड्स बेस एंड साल्ट्स टॉपिक अमिक त्रे क्वेश्चन कर आज करो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 5 तो 6। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 you are given 3 unlabeled bottles A, B and C containing colorless solution such that one of them is acid, the other being basic and neutral. How will you distinguish between them uh, by using China rose as an indicator? Asnichu unlabeled bottles 3 A, B and C. One must colorless solutions. Such that one of them acid, the other basic and neutral. Es kis pat heko distinguish karit at mach China rose karun istemal as an indicator. Ach answer godnik part soak China rose petals in boiling water contained in a bowl for half an hour. God maz karun soak China rose petals imikim panvatar China rose boiled waters maz akis bowls maz adis gantas karun ye soak on cooling imsat at maz as paku imsat pad thand go crush the petals with hand and then filter the mixture yim pat yim karin kum crush karin at maz moorinam at setin the current filter at the mixtures maz you will get pink colored clear solution at mil as pink color clear solution. Doim add 1 ml of the China rose indicator solution in each of the tubes A, B and C. Doimis maz es karin kum China rose indicator solution Trenven tube maz travan emuk 1 ml. The tube in which its color changes to green color contains base. Yah tubes maz color change gesi green colors maz ish base asan, while the other tube in which its color changes to deep pink contains acidic solution. Aich lagan esi pata yah jay esi green color mele tat maz at tubes maz asan base the yath maz color change gesi pink deep pink at much acidic solution, and the other tube in which its color does not change contains neutral solution. Yath color change ki at container maz asan neutral solution. So in this way we can identify as to which tube contains which solution. Em tarik heko iswe ye confirm karit ये आइडेंटिफाई कर कि कत ट्यूबस मज कम कस्मुक सोल्यूशन म्यूल अस आंसर अम क्वेश्चन पत क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 अत मज एक्टिविटी तस कोर अमुक हाफ व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म न्यूट्रलाइजेशन सु तमुक आंसर करो वनस ये व्हाट do you understand by the term neutralization? Neutralization गई क्या? The process due to which an acid completely reacts with a base with the evolution of heat to form salt and water as the only products is called neutralization. ये पूरा ओत्र कि न्यूट्रलाइजेशन यह गो प्रोसेस ये मज एसिड करान कंप्लीटली रिएक्ट्स विद बेसिस सतन तो एवोल्यूशन ऑफ हीट गसान बे salt and water as only products banan यह गई न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. The process due to which an acid completely reacts with a base with the evolution of heat to form salt and water as the only products is called neutralization. Okay, question number 6. At 4 part explain karin as कर विकनस इमज ज part करो इमज explain इस Godnik explain why farmers add slacked lime to acidic soils. B part soap solution or baking soda paste is applied on the part of body stung by a bee. Three part factory wastes and city sewerage is neutralized before discharging in rivers. D part antacids are used for relieving stomach activity. Four part A must karo z part weakness. A part B part. Explain why. Godnuk use farmers add slacked lime to acidic solution. Ach answer. Plants grow well only in neutral soil. Kul yata neutral soil asan zad atmos fertility asan zad ati zad kul wabdan. Acidic soil reduces the fertility of the soil. Yat zeminas acid is banan that such fertility gasan kam. In order to convert acidic soils into neutral soils, acidic soil convert kare neutral soils mans. The farmers add ya spray slacked lime yatmas calcium hydroxide asan which being basic in nature neutralize the excess acid present in the soil. You see asan slacked lime asan calcium hydroxide asan basic in nature neutralize excess acid gumut asan atmaz jama soils asan gumut neutralize kara imki wajah pat be image fertility haran doyim part soap solution or baking soda paste is applied on the part of body stung by a bee. Kun satan tulur devan top साई बॉडी कुन जाए तो तम साथ बॉडी तथ मे तम साथ इरिटेशन गसान वारिया ज़्यादा तम साथ दग वथान या स्वेलिंग गसान सह कम करने खतर कैज सोडा पेस्ट या सोप सोल्यूशन इस्तेमाल करान तो अमिक क्या आंसर द सिटिंग ऑफ बी कंटेन्स फॉर्मिक एसिड sting of bee tolerance top acid formic acid when bee stings our body part body it injects inject body formic acid causing painful irritation painful irritation reduce to reduce the effect of formic acid formic acid effect come the affected part of the body is scrubbed or rubbed with soap solution soap solution or baking soda paste which neutralizes the effect of formic acid and hence help in relieving pain कम न्यूट्रलाइज करान फॉर्मिक एसिड इफेक्ट आसान बॉडी मज गुमुत तो अमे हेल्प मदद मिलान पेन रिलीफ करनस मज ठीक तो यम क्वेश्चन 3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 जो पार्ट बे तो इंशाल्लाह पगह करो अमिक बे जो पार्ट बे जो क्वेश्चन अत मज तम त करो तो पगह करो बे मुलाकात दियो इजाजत अल्लाह हाफिज।